Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this set of baking sheet that I got recently on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the things that I really like about them and one important thing that I think you should know before buying. So in this set, you're gonna be getting 3 cookie baking sheets, as you can see. Here, let me show you this one. So this is the thickness of these baking sheet. You also have this grip right here, the silicone grip for you to hold on the side, which makes it easier when taking them off the oven. These are made of 100% carbon steel. It also has a non-stick coat to it. It is stain resistant and also very easy to clean. You don't have to scrape it anything because of the non-stick coat to it. You can literally just use your sponge when washing it off and clean it very easily. This is also dishwasher safe, so if you don't want to wash it by hand, you can put this in your dishwasher. You can also put this in your freezer or fridge. You're not gonna have a problem with that. I also think this is a pretty good size. It's very standard. All of these 3 sheets right here, they are the same size, and this is 14 by 11 inches. I don't know, I feel like every single one of the other sheets that I have here in this house, they are pretty much the same size. Now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning. I think you should know before getting these. So as I mentioned before, these cooking sheets, they have a non-stick coat to it, so be very careful when you're cutting stuff on it. Avoid cutting anything or scraping the bottom of these, because you can remove the non-stick coat and then it's not gonna work as well. So like I said, it's very easy to clean these. You can just use a sponge, or you can just put this in your dishwasher, and once you wash it, it's gonna be brand new. It's gonna be very, very clean. So just avoid scraping anything or cutting anything on them, and you're gonna be able to use these for a very long time.